Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to PKS Sports. Ngithembe ukuthi nikahle niyaphila. Let me do a lineup prediction of Kaizer Chiefs versus Golden Arrows. In the absence of Ox, Cross and George Matlo, simply means ukuthi there will be a change in the middle of the park. Middle of the park, because if you look at the players that are available, it's only Matlo that I can say Guti is not available from the squad that played against TS Galaxy on 7 December 2025. So the coaches wouldn't change much because they are not in the process of wanting to change a lineup, because changing lineups, it simply means Guti you haven't found the right combination. So changing the lineup, it simply means Guti you are not sure. So now I think they will know good, okay, let's not change much, but let's replace Umatlo with another player. I think and I believe good they're gonna do it. So obviously in the goalpost, Brendan Peterson, Mr. Clean Sheet, so far so good. He's our pillar. Lapana at the back making good saves. Bazokhuphuka ngayo uNtshebe. Bese ku left back since uCross angekho, we have uPaseka Marco. Paseka Marco obviously naye unokubhedlela nama injuries, but is available. I was hoping to see uNkanyisa Shinga, but I believe ukuthi this second half of the season uzoqala there will be a game where he will play, but for now sokhupha ngoPaseka Marco. Bese ku left center back I foresee Kaizer Chiefs making another change. I think bazosebenzisa Aiden McCarthy to have that balance. Left center back, left foot, right center back, right foot. Bese ku right back, ku right center back bazofaka uZitha Kunika. Zitha Kunika will be our right center back. Surely obviously haven't set any foot wrong. And Motia Bega, both Aiden McCarthy and uZitha Kunika are come head, so it will be easier to communicate. But I am a bit worried about in terms of aggression, because that's what Miguel brings, but angeke sazi sobona phambili. And then ku right back I see Dylan Solomon starting the game over Thabiso Munyane to continue with the momentum. Not unless there will be a knock in training into changes into, but I foresee Dylan Solomon having an edge over Thabiso Munyane on this game, according to the demands that will be there, because we love to see all players compete, but that competition between Munyane, Solomons and Forst is one competition that I say it is healthy and it brings out the best in these players. So Solomons will be starting this game. Basically we go to the middle of the park since kuyodlalwa i-4-4-2. It's going to be on the left middle. It's going to be Asanele Velepai, quick, pacey, and has a car. That means Uguti, it defends Golden Arrows won't have rest, because they have someone that has pace, that can change direction, escalate, and then they know very well good when he cuts inside, he's looking to what? It's either to bend the ball or go directed goal. So it simply means Guti, angeke kube lula for bona. Bese ke ku central midfielders we're gonna have uThabo Cele and uLebohang Maboy, because in the absence of George Matlo, they're gonna use another player that has defensive qualities. Hopefully this combination will complement both players, Maboy and Thabo Cele. Maboy has a lot and has a lot of experience to give, and how come he is on the ball? He's a ball player, very comfortable on the ball on his feet. Nakanjani, ngeke be difficult for them to thread those passes and to control that middle of the park. Hopefully it won't be exposed. Bese ku right middle is going to be Mfundo Vilakazi. Mfundo Vilakazi will be used as a right middle, whereby when we attack siyazi ukuthi siphethe uPaper 2 noVelabayi ngale emasayidini. Bese kuma forward I think Kaizer Chiefs will attack again with Khanyisa Mayo and Flavio Silva, because they saw okay, these players complement each other. The other one is a threat aerially, the other one is a threat on the ground. Simply means kuti one is a collector, one is a holding strike. Simply means kuti if Khanyisa Mayo is the one that is collecting, mele ahlale boxing Flavio Silva ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi ba interchange in terms of ama passes and trying to score, because it makes it difficult for my opponents to deal with two strikers. That's why most teams, they enjoy when a team plays with 4-4-3, because they know they have to deal with one striker. But the 4-4-2, it becomes difficult because you don't know which one should I mark, which one should I not, because if they are both lethal as strikers, doesn't matter who is holding, who is collecting. But what is important, when they face the goalpost, they score. That's the only problem, guys. If you don't capitalize on the chances, sizokhala and the maskhala ke jabula baningi. So kuma subs, Bruce Vuma is going to be there as a goalkeeper, and then Gaston Sereno, Igodaro Etiosa, God's Power, Wandile Duba, Kosingphile Ngcobo, Kanyiso Shinga, and Undlovu Ukajeni. That's the bench. So hopeful ukuthi, and also Mduduzi Shabalala. We are not intending here to win the game ngama players esoqala, but the bench also must look live ukuthi mabangena second half bayaqhubeka bafaka iparafini emlilweni, kuyashisa kuba mnandi, because we're gonna need fresh legs that are going to cause a havoc going forward. That's why ubona bomdu dai bahleli benchini, Gaston Sereno, Duba, Igodaro, Ndlovu, Shinga, maybe no Chislet. No, let me not forget intandokazi yenu ngaze ningibulali, but Sotin. Also Luke Bartman is another player I think ukuthi uzoqala ebenchini, and then he'll make an impact from the bench. This is it for today. Ngiyabonga for that 7k subscribers. It simply means kuti the content that I'm creating, it is conducive and iyabukele. So till we meet again, let's hope kuti you wina empofana kule game esoyidlala neGolden Arrows. You may predict the score, because mina mangizothi thiwa mina in kwasha kwacima, but I believe Kaizer Chiefs will draw this one. So you draw nje 1-1, but you predict your own prediction napana ku comment section. Ayingaxabani.